How we looking?
Yeah, I like that left and right. Are you on your brick road that you need to be on?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's one down about below the light.
So we're good. We're centered over the sign.
Alright.
This position looks pretty solid. Just make sure you get her nice and straight up your feet with those vinyl, you know. As straight as possible. You want a roller or anything to get attacked, or you good?
Probably.
Bring her on down.
It's jobs like this where my job doesn't feel real. You're telling me you're paying me to rub this wall?
Yeah, we live in a simulation, in case you were wondering.
Alright. The wind is gonna make that fun. Yup. You just can't get it hot with the wind blowing.
Yeah, you're gonna have to like one hand in front, one hand over.
On somewhere. Huh?
Alcohol will get that off.
Should just wipe off. It just disappears.
Oh, you got it off?
Yeah. The wind's making it kind of a pain. It's moving my plane. Yeah. Get out of there. Yeah. Six. Excuse. Hey, bro, it sounds like you're wasting gas. I got you. Here it is, here it is, here it is.
Let's look and see. I don't know that one going. There it goes. Organized like right here.
I know.
You want to cut this off this time?
Sure, man, sure.
See if maybe that'll help us with the line out. I think it's beautiful.
Okay. There we go. Up a step. What do you say?
If we do that, I gotta kick that to there. How you look at your top left?
I'm high on the left side.
Yeah, kick over to the right. Yeah, I mean, if you're doing that, you gotta kick over big time on the bottom. Yeah, it needs to be like right there. With your left hand, your right hand, kick the right hand over to the left.
Kick the right over to the left.
Okay, right there. Come back to me just a touch.
Okay.
Right hand over to the left. Okay. Yeah, and doing that actually puts us like
Almost where we need to be.
daggone close. That's me right there. That's me, dude.
That money, dude. I show you how to make shrimp that peel.
Okay. Down.
Middle hinge there, sort of.
That, and then now
Shrink.
pull your top and set it where you want it, and then just shrink down. I mean, it's good material, man. Oh yeah, it'll definitely shrink that out. Yeah, good on the left.
Yep.
Alright. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
I like it. I love it.
You gonna move your ladder, or are you good right there?
Give me some more of it. This is good.
Just make sure you get it nice.
Don't die.
Smooth.